Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to cancel your friend request in Snapchat. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe, and follow for more. And without further ado, let's start. First, we have to open your Snapchat app. And you have to click this person button here at the lower right side of your screen. And here are the people you can add here in Snapchat. So let's pick one. Just click the add button, and after that, click recently added. And these are the people that I recently added. So let's click one. Example this. Just click the profile to open it. And you will be redirected to this tab. Here you can click that profile, and the next step that you have to do is to click the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen, then manage friendship, and here you can remove friend. Just click remove, and that's it. That's how you unfriend a person here in Snapchat. Let's do another round. Click this profile, click here, and click the three dots. Once done, you have to click this manage friendship, then remove friend, then click remove, and that's it. That's how you unfriend a person here in Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and see you to the next video.